Successful ads touch hearts and heads. According to neuromarketing expert Roger Dooley, emotionally driven adverts create almost double the profits that rational ads do. In order to successfully appeal to your audience's feelings, you must establish the feelings you want to evoke. With emotional adverts, the goal will typically be to evoke one of the following feelings: joy, sadness and anger, ownership and pride. Joy is brilliant for engagement. Triggering a smile, laugh, or some relief contributes to a positive outlook, encouraging them not only to click on, but share adverts on social media. The Share a Coca-Cola campaign is a great example of this. This involved changing the traditional wrapping around the Coca-Cola bottle to say "Share a Coke with" and a popular name. Despite these being negative emotions, both anger and sadness act as powerful advertising weapons. In fact, studies show that digital ads click-through rates increase by 47% when using a negative sentiment. One example of this was mountain climbing apparel retailer Patagonia. The company used a call to action for global climate change to strike the minds of its consumers. Appealing to an audience's need to own their actions provokes a feeling of leadership. The sense of duty derived from taking ownership then leads the audience to feel proud. To find out more about how to use each of these emotions to appeal to your audience, you can find a full blog post on this topic in the link below in the description of this video, or follow the other link below to speak with a growth consultant today so Publicize can help you better connect with your audience.